Hello everybody, Bengala Tanji here. We are looking at ARM today, Enterprise Risk Management, still under controlling risk or risk control. We'll be looking at enterprise risk management, and under it we'll be looking at three broad topics. We'll be looking at approach to ARM, we'll be looking at ARM resources and enterprise risk management systems implementation. And after we are done with that, which still have quite numerous subtopics under it, we will move on to method of risk controlling, which we had earlier dealt with, but we'll look at two major other aspects of methods. Then we'll go into embedding risk, and after that we'll go into monitoring of risk. Enterprise risk management is an approach to risk governance in which we ensure that risks are managed from the most superior within the organization even to the lowest ranking staff, and we must approach it very well. We must put resources into it, and also we must implement systems to ensure that we have consistent results about risk management. And in approaching ARM, risk management vision must be in place, risk infrastructure must be in, systems implementation must be in place, in which we ensure risk are assessed, risk are treated, risk are monitored. And for ARM resources, we must build infrastructure and we must build capability. And new viewers, as we journey on to embedding of risk, in which we are going to be learning the culture of risk governance and administration of enterprise risk management within an organization.